Check it out. I figured out how to listen to your songs for more than 30 seconds on your liked songs. If you try that on the phone, it just plays for like 10 seconds. So I made a previous video on that, and I thought that you had to either update the app or because you needed a premium account. Well, I figured it out. See, I knew I was able to listen to my liked songs, but it just doesn't like it when you go to the app and go library, like songs, and let's just say, see that, how it's just gonna play it for like 10 seconds. You just, on your Apple CarPlay, you just come to it in your playlist, like songs, and then you can just pick whichever one. Alright, give me a like and subscribe. Thanks.